Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can get input from the user in Python. So here I have opened the Google Colab where I can write and execute the Python programs. So for example, if you want to get input from the user, I will create a variable here like name. You will use the input function given by Python. Inside this I will type here like enter your name. In the next line I will print name. Let me execute the program. You can see that enter your name, and if I type here Fahim and press enter, you can see that Fahim is printing as we write in our program. Now for example, if you want to get an integer input from the user, what you will do? I will type here enter your marks. I'm going to name this variable marks. Because we are getting integer input, what we have to do, I will again type the variable name and type here int, and then I will pass this variable inside this function. So now our integer will be, our input will be converted into integer. Again I will declare another variable like percentage is equal to marks divided by total marks. For example, these are 1100, and now we have to multiply them with 100. And if I print, you got the percentage, and here I will type comma, and again I will copy and paste this variable name here. Okay, that's it. Our program is completed. Now let me execute the program. Enter your marks. For example, if I type here 755 and press enter, so you can see that you got the percentage 68.63 and 6333. Obviously we can control that in how much decimal we want to display our answer. So friends, this was the technique in Python that how we can get input from the user. Thanks for watching.